Three words.
Time is gold.
Gold is mine. Nakapikit.
Okay.
Oras.
Good. Okay.
Second word. Second word.
Ano yung second word?
nagsasalita.
Ano yung second word?
Second word. Hindi mo sinasabi.
Ano yung second word? Okay. Okay.
English.
Pray.
Pray.
Third word. Heart.
Hindi.
Better.
You.
Ay, di siya, madidinig ka naman.
Okay, you.
God bless you. Me. You.
Ano ba? God bless.
You and me.
Ay, maingay ka na.
First word muna, first word. Ano?
Da.
Oh, friend.
Tatagalog ulit siya.
Beset sa becho!